Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. You are watching the channel Let's Learn with Sidra Shakir. Hope you all are fine. In this video we are starting the new topic, a new book, the new edition, the Grammar Tree book by Oxford, and we are discussing lesson number 1, chapter number 1, adjective, interrogative and emphasizing. This is the preview of the chapter number 1, page number 1 and page number 2. Firstly, we will discuss the given topic, then we will do exercise given on page number 2. Let's start schoolwork. Chapter number 1, adjectives, interrogative and emphasizing. Before starting kinds of adjective, we should understand what is adjective. Adjective क्या है? Adjective is a describing word. It describes a noun. It tells the quality of person, place, and animal and thing. For example, Sarah is a good girl. So what is good here? Good is adjective in the sentence. And now what is interrogative adjective? Interrogative adjectives. When the words what, which and whose are used with nouns to ask questions, they are called interrogative adjectives. जब ये अल्फाज what, which और whose नाउन के साथ सवाल पूछने के लिए इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं तो उन्हें interrogative adjectives कहते हैं. Check these example sentences. A. Which part of the world do you come from? B. What gifts did you get on your birthday? Whose books are those on the table? आप देख सकते हैं विच के बाद पार्ट का इस्तेमाल हुआ है. पार्ट इज़ नाउन. सो हमने क्या सीखा था कि विच, वॉट और हुज के बाद नाउन का इस्तेमाल होगा तो ये आपके तीनों वर्ड आपके इंट्रोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव कहलाएंगे. चेक सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल. गिफ्ट्स is used after what, so what is your interrogative adjective. Now check third one. Books is used after whose books, so whose is your interrogative adjective. आपने क्या सीखा स्टूडेंट्स? अगर what, which और whose के बाद नाउन का इस्तेमाल हो रहा है क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए तो ये आपके इंट्रोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव कहलाएंगे. Emphasizing adjectives. Types of adjectives used to emphasize the nouns they modify are called emphasizing adjectives. एडजेक्टिव की ऐसी किस्म जो जिस नाउन को मॉडिफाई कर रही है उसको एम्फेसाइज करने के लिए, उस पर स्ट्रेस देने के लिए जो वर्ड इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं उन्हें हम एम्फेसाइजिंग एडजेक्टिव कहते हैं. मतलब आपने जो बात कही है जिस नाउन के बारे में उसको उसके इफ़ेक्ट को हाइटन करने के लिए जो वर्ड इस्तेमाल होता है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड योर एम्फेसाइजिंग एडजेक्टिव. एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ एम्फेसाइजिंग एडजेक्टिव्स. What the man said was absolute rubbish. Rita came late and had to stand at the very end of the line. The book was a total failure for only a few. Check D. What the man said was absolute rubbish. जो उस आदमी ने कहा वो बिल्कुल बकवास था, रबिश था. Here a word which is emphasizing on rubbish, it is absolute. Absolute means बिल्कुल rubbish था, तो absolute is your emphasizing adjectives. Now check E. Rita came late and had to stand at the very end of line. रीटा देर से आई और उसे लाइन के बिल्कुल एंड में खड़ा होना पड़ा. ठीक है, तो आप देखिए एंड को जो वर्ड मॉडिफाई कर रहा है इट इज़ वेरी आपका क्या है? एम्फेसाइजिंग एडजेक्टिव है. एफ. द बुक वॉज अ टोटल फेलियर. ये किताब बिल्कुल एक बुरी का नाकाम बुक थी, बुरी मुकम्मल नाकाम बुक थी. तो टोटल क्या कर रहा है? फेलियर को मॉडिफाई कर रहा है, तो टोटल इज़ योर एम्फेसाइजिंग एडजेक्टिव. ठीक है. नाउ मूव टूवर्ड्स एक्सरसाइज. दिस इज पेज नंबर 2. व्हाट इज़ द गिवन क्वेश्चन? Mention of what kind each of the underlined adjectives is. आपने क्या बताना है? जो underlined adjective बताए हुए हैं उनकी आपने kinds बतानी है, whether they are emphasizing adjectives or interrogative adjective. Number 1 sentence. Do not listen to what Ravi says, for he is a complete fool, said Rohan. Complete is here emphasizing adjective. Number 2 now. Kiran is a great supporter of non-violence. Great is here emphasizing adjective. Number 3 sentence. What crime has the prisoner committed? Asked the judge. What is here interrogative adjective because crime is a noun is coming after the what, so it is interrogative adjective. 4. Aurangzeb had his own father Shah Jahan imprisoned in the Agra fort. On is here emphasizing adjective. Number 5 sentence. The play was an utter failure and the actors were bored by the audience. Utter is here emphasizing adjective. Number 6 sentence. Whose book is that laying on the table? Whose is here interrogative adjective. Number 7. He spent his entire fortune and built a hospital for the villagers. Entire is emphasizing adjective. Number 8. The simple truth is that Jim cannot run as fast as he thinks. Simple is emphasizing adjective. Now number 9. What he said is an outright lie and he should be punished severely for it. Outright is an emphasizing adjective. Now last, number 10. Which game are you best at? Asked Javed. Which is here interrogative adjective. Thank you for watching this video.